Hey everyone, I'm Scootin Becky, and today we're going to do the tutorial for Itsy Bitsy Spider. That's the name of the dance. I like to pair it with Jacked Up by Charlie Farley, featuring Colt Ford in the remix. I'll do a brief demo, and then we'll break it down to the individual 8 counts. Come learn with me. In 5, 6, 7, 8, step touches. Going back, some more step touches. Now grapevine right. Grapevine left, stomp holds, and a jazz box to the right. Okay, face 12 o'clock. We're going to do the first 16 counts, 8 counts of step touches moving forward, then 8 counts of step touches moving backwards. Weights in your left, we're going to take our right foot and step forward diagonally just a little bit, then touch with your left, forward diagonally left, touch right, right, touch left, left, touch right. Now in reverse. Right, touch, left, touch, right, touch, left, touch. Half the dance is already over. The next 8 counts, we have a grapevine to the right and a grapevine to the left. So take your right foot out to the side, left foot comes behind, right foot out to the side again, left foot touch next to your right, then left foot out to the side, right behind, left foot side, right touch next to your left. For the 4th and final 8 count, we have 2 stomp holds and then a jazz box quarter turn to the right. You take your right foot, stomp and hold for a count. Left, stomp, hold for a count. Take your right foot, cross it over your left. Turn a quarter turn to face 3 o'clock as you bring your left foot back, then right foot back and left foot in place. So we're going to do the entire sequence as I call out the step names. Then we'll do it all over again with counts, and I'll talk about some styling options after that. 16 counts of step touches, starting with your right foot. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. Right, touch, right, touch, left, touch. Grapevine to the right, tap. Grapevine to the left, tap. Stomp, hold, jazz box to the right. Let's do it again with counts. In 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's talk about some styling options. If you want to step it up a little to do a little more than just the step touches, I'm going to show you something that you can do. You can do kicks, or you can do what I call the basketball move. So you can step with your right, kick left, step, kick, and then go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can do kicks for the first 8 counts, then do 4 counts of step touches going back and 4 counts of hops if you would like. Then on the grapevine, instead of doing a tap, you can also do a heel jack, or you can spin on the grapevines, that's fine too. So instead of those kicks, if you want to do something different, you can do the basketball move. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then step touches going back. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have the kicks for the first 8 count or the basketball move. Then you have 4 counts coming back with step touches. Then you can do 4 counts of hops if you prefer. Instead of the last 4 of the back step touches, you can do heel jacks on the grapevine. You can spin on the grapevine. You can make this as involved and bouncy and fun as you want. Or if you're super beginner, or because of balance or other issues, just keep it super beginner with the step touches. Thanks for joining me for Itsy Bitsy Spider. I hope to see you on the floor soon.